2, and 1, back to the left, 4, 3, 2, 1, back to the right, last set, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, left side, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do a butterfly turn around to the right. So take your right poi out, but leave it there behind you. Now you're going to turn to the right side, and then you're going to keep turning so that you're turning away from me. And when you turn away from me, bring your left poi up and over into the overhand butterfly on the back wall. So you flip the left one in. Then we're going to take the right poi out again, turn toward me now, and when you bring it to the front, you'll take the left poi and come into the underhand butterfly in front of you. Let's do that again. So the right poi comes out, you turn your body 180 degrees so you're facing away from me. Your left poi should be an underhand, your right one an overhand, and then you're going to turn to the right and flip the left poi into overhand butterfly facing the back wall. Then flip the right poi out again, turn right, come into underhand butterfly, and now we're going to try a turn to the left. So remember, the butterfly stays parallel to this screen in front of me the whole time. We're going to take the left poi out, turn to the left, flip the right poi into overhand butterfly on the back wall, and then take the left one out again, turn, and flip the right poi into underhand butterfly on the front. So let's just do the left poi alone without the right poi. Make sure we have this right. You're going to take it, flip it, turn your body. It should be overhand on the back wall. Now you're going to flip it back behind you, turn your body, and it should be in front of you. The thing to remember when you're doing this is the hand that's on this side, you're doing always underhand on the front wall, right? So you're always coming into this underhand. So if you turn to the left, it's left hand, overhand, right hand, underhand. And if you turn to the right, it's left hand, underhand, right hand, overhand. So what that means is the back wall, it's always going to be overhand with the 2 poi. So if you're confused when you do the takeout or you hit yourself, remember the hand that of the direction you're turning into toward the back wall is going to be an overhand. Let's pretend we're here in the underhand butterfly, or let's actually be here in the underhand butterfly, and then take the 2 poi, come up over the top, drop stall them, and then let's practice that again. So come into the underhand butterfly, bring them up over the top, and try and drop stall them, and capture that energy that's going down so that it doesn't swing. And we'll do it again. Come into underhand butterfly, come up over the top, and drop stall them. And then last time, back into underhand butterfly, come up over the top, drop stall them. Now we're going to go into the corkscrew. We're going to go to the left, so bring the right hand up and the left one follows, and we're turning to the left. And turn your body with it. And now turn your body in the opposite direction, but keep the poi doing the same thing. And now turn to the left again with your body, keeping the poi doing the same thing. And then plane shift it up, plane shift it up, plane shift it up, get it up into your pinwheel. And then turn to the left to overhand weave. And then from this overhand weave, turn to the right to underhand weave. And then we're going to turn to the left to overhand weave. Turn to the right to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand. Turn right to underhand. Turn left to overhand. Okay, now from here, open it up to circles. And now we're going to chase the sun counterclockwise for 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4. Now get ready. We're going to go under the right leg on this next one as we come over the top, lift the right leg, under the leg, and then back up into the chase the sun for 4 and 3 and 2, and lift the leg, go under the leg, and 4 and 3 and 2, and lift the leg, under the leg, and last time 4 and 3 and 2, and last time, now this time lift the leg, come under the leg, overhand weave on the left hand side, turn right to underhand weave again, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave. Now from underhand weave, as you're going back to the other side, bring your hands up and over and come down. Now from overhand weave, as you're going to the right, lower yourself down to come up. So we're going to go up and over and down and across and up and over and down and across. The idea is you go down, so you're going down one way and then up the other way, down and up. So overhand weave on the left, turn right to underhand weave on the right, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave. 2 more sets, turn left and turn right, another left turn, another right turn, and now go up as you turn to the other side and then go down as you come to underhand. Go up as you're going back to overhand and down as you're going to underhand. Go up and down. Go up and down. And up and down. And up and down. 4 more sets. Up and down. 3 more sets. Up and down. 2 more sets. Up and down. Last set. Up and down. Woo!